Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Talks. And today I'm going to talk about Syngene International, which is at a very interesting levels at around 600. So let's understand what needs to be done. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation and people taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research. And I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Syngene International, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel. It will help you also ask me questions in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And also, if you pay for $100 straight away, then you get 12 months access to the Patreon membership. That's 2 months extra for paying for one way at $100. For detailed market or company talk, you need to directly contact me. We can work things out with a fee. And also, if you cannot pay by credit card, then you can directly email me, and probably in few months' time, I'll start direct bank transfer. Now, about the company established in 1993 in Mumbai, Syngene International provides pharmaceutical drugs and API products all across the globe. Products used in a number of sectors like biotech, agrochemicals, nutrition, animal health, etc. It is one of the larger companies in this sector. Exports around the globe, including USA. It was part of Biocon earlier, so the Biocon backing is there with Kiran Majumdar, Shaw, etc. A leading contract research and manufacturing organization. They are into, you can say, they are into research and development more or less for Biocon, and then later on got extruded. Ties up with My Labs, which is a big move expected because of that. And My Lab tying up was last year, about 6-8 months back, but now it has come out with decent numbers, and the valuations look attractive compared to other you can say pharmaceutical companies. The market cap of the company is around 11-12,000 crores. It's not 10,000 crores, it's around 12,000 crores at the moment. If you look at the financials, then sales were up by around 15% and profit went up by around 11%. The debt is low, but we are expecting to see the profit surge even more going forward. So right now, what we are seeing is that the numbers are set to improve if we go forward from here 2-3 quarters down the line. The debt is low, a high promoter holding is there, a very good return on equity of around 18%, a net profit margin of 30% is quite strong. If you look at the performance of the stock, then the stock has done nothing for the past 7 months. So it had been consolidating between say 500 to 550 region, but now it has done. Now what it has done is it is breaking out of that 550 560 region, and now it's trading at 590 600. So it is breaking out and looks extremely attractive now for a trade, for a short term trade even. Has done appreciably well since the March 2020 fall. So over the last 1 year it has done very well and have high ROE, and profit growth has been pretty good, and I think numbers are set to do extremely well over the next couple of years. So the stock should perform well. Currently, it is trading at a discount to say larger pharma players, and it is one of the better companies in this regard. So this could just uh, be one of the stock that could give you very good returns in the next couple of years. Sector has come back into focus, and sector is doing well, and I think in the next 1.5-2 years, this sector is set to do even better compared to what it has done so far. R&D firms should perform better. As I have said, that there is need for, you can say, drugs, there are needs for medicines, there are needs for research and development, and companies like Syngene should do well going forward. Why I believe it is a buy on declines. It is a unique business with top clients, so they are into more research and development and finding out new drugs rather than just API play. So that is a very big positives. My lab tie up will also take company to new level with you can say provision of making vaccines, etc. That would also uh, be very very positive for the company going forward in the next 6 months to 1 year. Top and bottom line being strong, and continuously it has been strong, although the stock has not done that well. So that is also a thing, that the stock is trading at a discount, so one can look at it and have corrected to attractive levels. I think around 580 600 is very good levels to get into. 520 540 is very big support. I'll talk about technicals next in this presentation. Demerge from Biocon, a renowned entity, so Biocon backing is always there, and it has demerged from there, and it has a lot of value separately for itself. High promoter and institution holding with only 6% free float is also a huge positive for the company. If you look at the technicals of the stock, so had been consolidating for months. I mean, 3 4 months it consolidated. After that, what happened is it is showing a breakout. So 600 was a strong resistance. Now it has been breached. Yes, it has come below it again, but I believe that around 580 575 very good levels to enter. I think around 520 could be a very decent support to look at, and we could see even 780 800 coming in the next 12 months, or even greater than that. So this is a very beautiful trade that could be played out in the pharma space, but have stop losses in place if you are trading into the stock. Otherwise, this is a very good investment which could double in the next 3 years or so. 3 4 years could do extremely well from here on in. So what needs to be done? In my opinion, you can buy on now and on dips. May emerge as one of the winners when markets recover. So whenever the market tends to go up consistently, whenever these things just subside, I think Syngene will come out as one of the winners. I won't be surprised if it reaches 1200 in the next 2.5 years or so. Have a good 5 year view. We could see 1500 to 1700 on the stock in the next 5 years. So it can be big from here. It can be 3x from these levels also. This is a very good stock to invest into. So this is a video on Syngene. Please like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.